Creating meeting notes with a Fireflies AI Notetaker is a straightforward process that can be beneficial for online businesses, especially when setting up standard operating procedures to save time when training new employees. There are two main ways to create these notes. Inviting Fireflies AI to a meeting, such as a Google Meet or Zoom call, where it will automatically transcribe and summarize the conversation, or recording a meeting and then uploading the file to Fireflies AI for transcription and summary. To invite Fireflies AI to a meeting, click the plus icon and select Add to Live Meeting. Then, fill out the meeting details, including the name of the meeting and the meeting link, and choose the language. Once started, Fireflies AI will listen in on the meeting and create notes. Alternatively, record a meeting and save it to a file. Then upload it to Fireflies AI. The file should be in a compatible format, such as MP3, M4A, or MP4, and under 1.5 GB in size for video files or 200 MB for audio files. Once uploaded, Fireflies AI will transcribe and summarize the meeting, creating a set of meeting notes. The meeting notes will include a transcription of the meeting and a summary of key points. These notes can be downloaded in various file types, including PDF. While the process is generally quick, it may take a few minutes for the summary to be ready, and an email notification will be sent when it is complete. Overall, using Fireflies AI to create meeting notes is a simple and efficient way to stay organized and save time.